Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to download music on Spotify. Firstly, you need to make sure that on the setting bar on the right upper side when you scroll down and when you go out to the import section by show local audio files, you need to make sure that this is turned on. And when you get back and just simply go to your library by clicking on it, as you can see you have local files, but if you scroll right on the upper side's options you have downloaded. Click on that option. Now click on local files, and here you can find out all music which are not on Spotify but are related from your phone to your Spotify. And now how do I download, for example, a music on it? If I tap on it, as you can see here you have that section which says add to playlist. Now you can go and like it. By that you're gonna get an activity for that song. Also, if you go on the three dots and add it to a playlist, also it will again get added through that device. Now also you have a lot of options for getting for more songs which could be useful for you. Also, you can sort it all that. You can find it in local files if you couldn't find by scrolling down, and you can sort of by artist, album, or recently added. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.